Hello everyone, this is Carrie. I'm going to take you inside a class to take a look at those tabs that we were just looking at. Over here, the Stream, Students, and About. We're just going to, on the surface, just hop into each one of these tabs and take a brief look around. Stream, this is where it automatically takes you when you log into your class or into Google Classroom. And this is where you're going to be doing the bulk of your work. This is where you're going to be creating announcements, assignments, creating questions in this area over here in the Stream part. And then there's the Students. Come in. This is where you can really check on the students. So you have somebody. So say Eli. He came to me and said, "Hey, how come I don't have credit for this? What is digital literacy?" And I'll say, well, it's not turned in. Okay, it says right here. Or it says, hey, I thought I turned in all of my ePortfolio documents. Well, maybe, but anyways, this is just a way to filter by student. And when you click on any student, and you can see everything that student has done. Okay. It's a nice feature in there. You might see this little tab over here. When this is turned on, it means that parents can receive daily or weekly summaries, or if you're not having the parents, then the students can sign up themselves and get daily reminders and stuff like that. Well, daily or weekly. Okay, and then there's the About tab. And this is where you're going to keep everything that you are going to be referring to throughout a semester. Your syllabus is in here. Maybe your scope and sequence. Any type of reference tables. You're going to put that in here. And if you're co-teaching, this is also where you invite the other teacher to come teach with you. Well, to join the classroom. And that means that teacher can also post, create assignments, add ancillaries, things of that nature. Okay? And over here in the About, there's also creates a class drive folder for you. So when you create something in Google Classroom, it creates a nice folder in your Google Drive already for you. Very nice. And it links up with the calendar. So if you have a Google Calendar, then any class, these are all my classes, so any class that you have checked, if there's an assignment due, it'll pop up in the calendar. And you can uncheck them just as easily. Okay? All right. And so then there's the students. Now students can join by you sending them an email if you wish, or pull this class code up and then have students type in the alphanumeric code to get into the class. That's my recommendation. Just seems to work best that way. Okay. And then when you come back in here in your Stream, again, this is where you'll be posting all of your assignments. And over here we have the different topics. So if you wanted to see, all of our DMV vocabulary, this is just a nice way of filtering, keeping everything organized. Okay. That was a brief look into the 3 different tabs in Google Classroom. All right, take care.